Yesterday we have seen the types of jigs. Now today we will go for the see we are going to see the types of fixtures. Fixtures, generally fixtures are used to hold the workpiece during the machining. Fixture is always fixed to the machine table and it is classified by the type of machine on which they are going to be used. Like lathe is there, lathe fixture is going to be there. Milling fixture is there. Suppose welding fixture is there. According to the operations and on which machines it is going to be used, according to that it is classified. Fixtures are there are different types of fixtures. Major fixture is vice fixture. There is fixed fixture and movable fixture. In between that we are going to clamp this workpiece. These are the generally milling machine vices. On that vices, the vice is going to be used as it is going to clamp the workpiece, so it is going to be called as a vice fixture. Sometimes standard machine vices are adapted with special jaws. Special jaws are designed for workpieces with irregular counters and it is generally used on different types of machine tools. See, there are different types of special wise jaws are there which are going to be, see, special jaw. Here also special jaw. This is also extended jaw and special jaw. This is also special jaw. So with the help of special jaws we can hold any type of workpiece in the vice fixture. Milling fixtures, now it is milling fixtures are used to hold the workpiece in correct relation to the cutter attached to the machine tool with T slots. Major components again, as it is a fixture: base, clamps, resting blocks, locating pin and gauging surfaces. Base consists of base plate with flat accurate under surface. Various components are mounted on it. It mates the with the surface of milling machine table used as reference plane. Has slots to clamp fixture onto the table. It has a keyway running lengthwise in the base of two keys used to align fixture on milling machine table. The keys are pressed into the keyway at both ends of the fixture and held by sprocket head cap screws. Base, the fixture is attached to the milling machine table and held in alignment by the two keys attached to the fixture base. These keys fit very closely to the T slots of the machine table, of the milling machine table. The fixture is held firmly to the table by T slots and by hold down with the help of clamps. See, this is going to be the underside fixture of the base. These are the slots, and with in that bolts coming, the T slots are there in on machine table. With the on that from that slots, T bolts come out, and it is fixed in this slot. This T bolts gets fixed, and from the with the help of nuts, we are going to clamp over the machine table. The type of milling machine, dimensions of T slots, center to center distance of T slots, dimensions of the milling machine table, the length of the table traveled in all three feed movements. The center to center distance of T slots varies from machine to machine. If the fixture is to be used on more than one machine, it may be well to hold the fixture with strap clamps. With strap clamps. Strap clamp holding fixture base, strap clamp here and work with the help of working, and it is a clamp to the mill table. This T slot scissor with the help of the T slot, it is mounted or clamped to the milling table. Effect of cutting forces on workpiece at beginning of cut. The cutting forces exerted by milling cutter change as the cutter leaves or enters the work and through an external load on the clamps. Clamp must not loosen by vibrations caused by interrupted cutting of milling cutter. Interrupted cutting occurs at the beginning and at the end of the cut. Now there are two types of milling types. One is conventional milling, another one is climb milling. Conventional milling and climb milling, if you see the conventional milling, in which work is there in the and in the direction of that, opposite to the direction of the movement, work movement, there will cutter force is going to become, and here in the direction of the force, cutting force is down, acting on that, and it is downward, it is upward. In conventional it is upward direction, and it is in climb milling it is in downward direction. Accuracy of contact between bearing surface and workpiece. A filler gauge of predetermined thickness is inserted between the bearing surface and the workpiece resting on it. Bearing surfaces are used usually in the form of pins, pads and plates. Parallelity किंवा त्यांची accuracy maintain करण्याच्या हिशोबाने. Setting of gauges to locate mill fixture in correct position of cutter. Again, this is a filler milling cutter is there, this is a filler gauge is there. So with the help of that, now this is also milling fixture, so that workpiece, this is the workpiece, and workpiece cutting कुठपर्यंत व्हायला पाहिजे त्याच्या हिशोबाने दिलेलं आहे. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी ए सेटिंग ब्लॉक. ह्या सेटिंग ब्लॉकला ठेवून त्याची फिलर गेजनी त्याची ॲक्युरसी, कटरची आणि त्याची ॲक्युरसी मेंटेन केली जाते. सेटिंग ब्लॉक, सेटिंग गेज किंवा त्याला सेटिंग ब्लॉक पण म्हटलं जातं. मिलिंग फिक्चर्स कॅन बी क्लासिफाईड इन टू variety of ways according to the workpiece is clamped, such as hand clamping fixture, power clamping fixture, toggle fixture, etc. According to the way of the workpiece is located, such as center fixtures, V-block fixtures. According to the method of presenting the workpiece to the cutter as rotary fixtures, where the workpiece is rotated under the cutter, indexing fixtures, where the workpiece is indexed into the next position during the machining cycle. According to the milling operations performed on work, such as face milling, slab milling, slotting, string milling, etc. According to operations, milling machine operation performed. String or line milling fixture, a number of components strung behind each other in line. The fixture moves relative to the cutters, so that we can increase the production rate. At a time we are fixing with the component 4 to 5, 7, what n number of components we can increase, so that productivity will get increased. So because at the same time we are going to achieve n number of components or increased number of components. With the help of that we are going to get the increase the productivity. Hydraulic clamping fixtures, clamping is there, but with the help of hydraulic fixture we are going to clamp. Spring type fixtures, again this is force is there, we are applying this spring force is there, which is again used to give additional force to the workpiece, so that it will not get removed or released with the help of vibrations. Clamp type fixtures. Now vacuum fixture, it is a suction holding fixture, holding device used where holding without distortion is vital. Uses vacuum pump, part acted upon by ATM pressure. It exerts a downward force on all sides of the exposed to the vacuum. सगळीकडनं मटेरियल ठेवलेलं आहे, त्याच्याने तुम्ही व्हॅक्यूम लावलं की व्हॅक्यूम प्रेशरनी ऑटोमॅटिकली हे कॉम्पोनंट ओढला जाणार खाली आणि त्याला पकडून धरलं जाईल. नाव milling fixtures we have seen. Now broaching fixture. A broach is a series of progressively taller chisel points mounted on a single piece of steel. Use of broach is to cut splines or keyway, square keyway on objects such as gears, drive shafts, pulleys, etc. किवे पाडण्यासाठी हे लावलेले आणि हे पुल करणार आहे, जेणेकरून मटेरियल काढून टाकेल. त्याच्यासाठी हे फिक्सचर तुम्हाला बनवणं जरुरी आहे, की ज्यांनी फिक्सचर बनवणार आहेत. आपल्याला जनरली मिलिंग फिक्सचरच विचारलं जातं, पण आपण तरीसुद्धा बोरिंग मशीनवर कसं वापरायचं, ब्रोचिंग मशीनवर कसं वापरायचं हे त्याच्यासाठी दाखवण्यासाठी केलेलं आहे. एक्सटर्नल ब्रोचिंग मशीनला जर स्लॉट पाडायचा असेल तर कसं फिक्सिंग करायचं. ग्राइंडिंग फिक्सचर, मॅग्नेटिक चेकिंग डिव्हाइसेस जनरली वापरले जातात. व्हॅक्यूम कॅन बी वर्कपीस कॅन बी क्विकली माउंटेड अँड रिमूव्ड. Distortion caused by the mechanical clamping eliminated. Mild steel plates separated by non-ferrous ones. Magnetic flux passes through magnetic chuck through steel plates and workpiece. मॅग्नेटमुळे होतं, पण त्याला जर नॉन फेरस मटेरियल जर असेल तर ते होणार नाही. नॉन फेरसला आपल्याला वेगवेगळे फेरस आणि नॉन फेरसचे वेगवेगळे क्लॅम्पिंग करावं लागतं. म्हणजे दोनच्या मध्ये हे क्लॅम्प करू शकतो नॉन फेरस मटेरियल, आणि आपण करू शकतो. Grinding fixture used for with the help of magnetic chuck. Lathe, three jaw universal chuck. Three jaw chucks used for circular and hexagonal work. Three jaw chucks are usually self-centering. Three jaw move simultaneously when adjusted. This simultaneous movement is caused by scroll plate into which three jaws fit. They are usually provided with two sets of jaws, one for outside checking and other for inside checking. इकडून जर धरलं इंटरनल, इकडून जर धरलं एक्सटर्नल. Four jaw chuck, independent chuck. Four jaw chucks are usually used for non-self-centering jobs. Each jaw can be moved independently, ideal for gripping round, square, hexagonal, irregular shaped workpieces. The jaws can be reversed to hold work by inside diameter. Multi-jaw chucks for special purpose and high standards of accuracy. Generally, नॉन ज्यावेळेला सेल्फ सेंटर नसेल कंपोनंट त्यावेळेला विचारलं जातं. मॅग्नेटिक चेकसुद्धा लेथला वापरला जाऊ शकतं. ही जी मॅग्नेटिक चेक घ्यायला लावून त्याला कंपोनंट यूज केला, फिट केला की आपण त्याला मशीनिंग करू शकतो. फेस प्लेट आहे, जी जागेने फिक्सचर विच इज गोइंग टू बी यूज फॉर फिक्सिंग द कंपोनंट वर्कपीस. कॉलेट चक्स जनरली यूज. कॉलेट चकमध्ये कंपोनंट धरायचा आणि तो तुमचा कॉलेट चक्स that forms collar around the object to be held and exerts a strong clamping force on the object when it is tightened. The external collet is a sleeve with cylindrical inner surface and conical outer surface. It is used for very small components. When very small components are there, at that time we are going to use the collets. Collet chucks are also there for मॅन्ड्रेल्स. एकावर एक म्हणजे वर्कपीसला होल्ड करण्याच्या हिशोबाने मॅन्ड्रेल्स वगैरे बनवले जातात. स्लीव टाईप एक्सपांडिंग चक, म्हणजे त्याच्या स्लीववर टाकून एक्सपांड करून त्याला क्लॅम्प केलं जातं. स्लीव टाईप एक्सपांडिंग, इट इज यूज फॉर हाय डिग्री ऑफ कॉन्सेंट्रिसिटी. इट प्रोव्हाइड्स ॲडजस्टमेंट ऑफ लोकेटिंग डायमीटर टू सूट द व्हेरिएशन्स इन बोर साईज ऑफ द वर्कपीस. ही स्लीव आहे, त्याच्यावरती कंपोनंट धरायचा आणि नंतर तो एक्सपांड केला की कंपोनंटला एक्सपांड झाल्यामुळे तो काही कंपोनंटला घट्ट धरून ठेवेल आणि तो इकडं तिकडं हलणार नाही. थ्रेडेड चेकसाठीचं मॅन्ड्रेल आहे, त्यामुळं जसजसे आपल्याला कंपोनंट लागणार आहेत, जसजसे आपल्याला म्हणजे सगळे क्लॅम्पिंग एलिमेंट किंवा लोकेटिंग एलिमेंट जे काही आहेत ते जिग्समध्ये जसे वापरले जाणार आहेत तसेच ह्याच्यावर वापरले जाणार आहेत. फक्त वेगवेगळ्या टाईपचे फिक्सचर्स असणार आहेत. लेथवर वापरलं लेथ फिक्सचर, ग्राइंडिंगवर वापरलं ग्राइंडिंग मिक्सचर, ब्रोचिंगवर वापरलं ब्रोचिंग फिक्सचर, आणि जर आपण वेल्डिंगसाठी वापरलं तर वेल्डिंग फिक्सचर म्हणून पण वापरलं जातं. करेक्ट. तर मग आता फिक्सचर आणि जिगमध्ये काही फरक नाही, म्हणजे सगळ्यांचे कंपोनंट दोन्हीचे कंपोनंट जर बघितलं तर सेम आहे. एलिमेंट्स आर सेम. वन इज बेस किंवा बॉडी, सेकंड वन लोकेटिंग एलिमेंट, थर्ड वन क्लॅम्पिंग एलिमेंट, आणि इथं गेज ब्लॉक म्हणून आहे आणि सेटिंग ब्लॉक, हे दोन तुमचे असतात की जेणेकरून तुम्ही जो काही कंपोनंट जो बनवलेला आहे तो सेट अशा हिशोबाने करायचा. सेट ब्लॉक म्हणजे बाहेरच्या बाजूने ते कॉम्पोनंटची सेटिंग अशी करून घ्यायची की मशीनवर गेल्यानंतर त्याच्यामध्ये काही चेंज राहणार नाही. सेटिंग ब्लॉकच्या हिशोबाने तुम्ही टूल कटर आणि त्याच्यामधला जो गॅप आहे तो पहिल्यांदाच सेट करून घेणार. कटर आणि वर्कपीसमधला गॅप जो असेल तो पहिल्यांदाच सेट करून घेणार, जेणेकरून तुमचं जे काही मुवमेंट असेल ती जॉब जसा ठेवला जाईल तसं मशीनिंग स्टार्ट करण्याच्या हिशोबाने केलं जातं. नाव वी हॅव सीन different types of jigs, different types of fixtures we have seen. Tomorrow we will go step by step how we are going to proceed for the any component. We will see one component is there drawing as per the as per whatever given in the university. We will go for the, and we are going for the jig one first of all, and we will see the uh, job which is or question which is going to be asked in generally on the university question papers. We will try to solve one question not by making a drawing but by I am communicating what are going to do, what you are going to do on drawing on video, and next with the help of that you are going to draw try to draw the fixture or jig for the given job. Okay, thank you. So tomorrow we will take a component and try to make a jig or fixture.